How to get Ticketmaster tickets into Apple Wallet. And the very first thing that you want to do is just to log in to your Ticketmaster's account. Now, once you have chosen on a specific event where you would like specifically purchase a ticket, there should always be an option in there to add that ticket into your Apple Wallet. If this is the first time doing this, you will now then be redirected to log into your Apple Wallet account. Once you've successfully logged into your Apple Wallet, your ticket will successfully be added to your Apple Wallet. Now you have successfully added Ticketmaster tickets to your Apple Wallet, but for future purchases, you can permanently add Ticketmaster to your Apple Wallet so that you can do a fast purchases on any tickets available on Ticketmaster. And that is how you get Ticketmaster tickets into Apple Wallet.